You're watching this video because you want to be successful. But do you know what it takes to be successful? In this video, I'm going to outline the 7 signs that you have what it takes to achieve success. Success is a loaded word, isn't it? We all want it, but very few people achieve it. So what does it take? What are the telltale signs that you will succeed in life? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. Let's get started. Number 1 sign, you have a clear vision and set goals. Number 2, you're passionate about your work. Number 3, you're resilient and don't give up easily. Number 4, you enjoy learning new things. Number 5, you have a strong network of support. Number 6, you take care of yourself both physically and emotionally. And 7, you're a master communicator. If you have all of these things, then it's very likely that you will find success in whatever you do. So make sure to keep these things in mind and always be working on improving yourself in each of these areas. Let's go ahead and break down each characteristic. Number 1, a clear vision and set goals. It's important to know what you want in life and have a plan to get there. Without this, it's easy to get sidetracked and never really achieve anything significant. Number 2, passionate about your work. You need to enjoy what you're doing to be successful at it. If you're not passionate about it, your work just won't be fulfilling and it'll be very difficult to find the motivation to keep going when things get tough. Number 3, resilience. And don't give up easily. This is probably one of the most important traits for success. You need to be able to handle setbacks and continue moving forward, even when things are tough. Number 4, enjoy learning new things. Learning is a key part of success. You need to be constantly learning and expanding your skills to stay ahead of the competition. And 5, a strong network of support. It's important to have people in your life that believe in you and are willing to help you achieve your goals. These people will be there to help you when things get tough and provide encouragement when you need it. Number 6, take care of yourself both physically and emotionally. If you want to be successful, you need to take care of yourself. Like I said, both physically and emotionally. This means eating right, exercising, getting enough sleep, and managing your stress. And 7, my favorite, mastering communication. Communication is key in any area of life, but especially in business. You need to be able to communicate effectively to build relationships and get things done. These are just a few of the things that you need to be successful in life. If you have these things, then you're likely able to achieve anything you want. I would love to know in the comments section below, which of these characteristics do you feel like you need to give extra attention to at this stage of growing your business? Drop them below. I can't wait to read them. And it's not just about business, it's about the lifestyle that you want. Okay, so now it's time to focus on my favorite topic from this list. It's about mastering communication. In the areas in your life and business, this skill is literally the most important. Now, number 1, when you're able to communicate, you're able to build relationships. Like I had said above, relationships are key in business and life. And if you can't build strong relationships, then you'll have a hard time getting ahead. 2, communication is also key for managing people. If you can't communicate effectively, then it will be very difficult to manage and motivate your team, contractors, referral partners, and affiliates. 3, communication skills are also important for sales. If you can't communicate effectively, then you'll have a hard time selling selling your products, services, programs, anything. And lastly, communication is important for networking. Like I said, if you can't network effectively, then you'll have a hard time meeting new people and growing your business. Now, let's break down why certain communication skills are so important for sales success. Number one, like I mentioned above, when you're able to communicate, you're able to build relationships. If you can build strong relationships with potential clients, then you'll have a much easier time selling to them. Number two, communication skills are also important for managing objections. If you can't effectively manage objections, then you'll have a hard time closing sales. Number three, communication skills are also important for creating urgency. If you can't create a sense of urgency, then potential clients will likely never buy from you. Four, lastly, communication skills are important for follow-up. If you don't follow up with potential clients, then you'll consistently miss out on making more sales, and we don't want that. These are just a few of the reasons why communication skills are so important for sales success. If you want to be successful in sales, then you need to master communication. Now let's take a look at some of the specific things you can do to improve your sales communication skills. Number one, listen more than you speak. So important. Two, ask questions, good ones. Three, repeat back what you've heard. Four, seek understanding before seeking to be understood. Five, use stories and examples to illustrate your points. Six, be clear and concise in your communication. Seven, avoid using jargon. Eight, check for understanding. And nine, follow up after every conversation to close the sale. If you can do these things, then you will be well on your way to mastering sales communication. Just remember, communication is a skill that you need to continue to work on and improve throughout your life. There's always room for improvement, especially around these sales skills. Let me know in the comment section below, which of these 9 areas do you feel like you could improve on? And if you're not sure where to start, then I would highly recommend hitting that like button, subscribing, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. Over the next series of videos, I will be breaking down the concept behind sales leadership and the 6 principles of sales success that you can use to call in consistent clients with ease. Happy selling, friends, and I will see you next time.